Oh, I received your question. You want to solve this quadratic equation. You want to use quadratic formula. So 5x squared plus 4x plus 2 equals 0. Use commas, separate the answers, round to nearest hundredths, and express in terms of I. So A is always a coefficient squared term, which is 5. B is coefficient linear term, which is 4. And C is always the constant, which is 2. Then here's quadratic formula. It's minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in place of b here and also here, I'm putting a 4. In place of a, I'm putting a 5 here and here. Then there's only one place for c, and I'm placing a 2. So I have it in the quadratic formula. The last step is to simplify this result. So I'll come over here. So it'll be negative 4 plus or minus. See, this will all be over 10. See if I calculate this part here, it'll be 16 minus 40. Let's see, 16 minus 40. That would be negative, that would be negative 24. So that'd be negative 4 over 10 plus or minus. Then I'll go ahead and take care of the I. It'd be I square root of 24 over 10. So this part here, negative 4 over 10, that's just a minus 0.4 plus or minus. And now if I put 24, take the square root of, see, I got my calculator here. If I can get it to work, take the square root of 24, add a little less than 5, and I divide that by 10. I get let's see, I get 0.49. They want you to attach an I to that. And so it says use a comma, separate your answers, round to nearest hundredths. And so here's your two answers. I guess you need to, let's see if I move this up here. It would be negative 0.4 plus 0.49i, negative 4 minus 0.49i is what you would type in for the answer. I just punched this in the calculator to get the result. Hope that helps.